Walking is totally free and easy. It requires little effort and offers many benefits, not only for your physical health, but also for your mental well-being. Hello, and welcome to Saguaro. Walking is a very powerful physical activity which you can do easily every day. And when done, what does walking really do to your body? We're listing 10 things that happen to your body if you walk every day. Number 1 will surprise you, so stick around to find out what it is. Before you grab your sneakers and head out for a walk, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to see more of our videos for a healthy mind, body, and soul. Number 10, improved eyesight. Moving your legs improves your eyes? Sounds surprising, right? First off, walking can help fight glaucoma by relieving eye pressure. Glaucoma develops when there's too much fluid buildup that increases the pressure inside the eye. This pressure affects the optic nerve and can result in visual impairment. The Glaucoma Research Foundation recommends walking as one of the best ways to reduce the risk of developing glaucoma and even relieve its symptoms. Walking in general is good for the eyesight. Low and high intensity exercises strengthen and stimulate the visual cortex, the part of the brain that processes the images relayed from the retinas. So, get on the road to improve your vision today and protect your eyes from potential problems in the future. Number 9, improved memory. A study at the University of Kansas has revealed that low-impact aerobic exercises like walking can prevent early onset of dementia and reduce the risk of developing Alzheimer's disease. Over 35 million people around the world suffer from Alzheimer's, and sadly, it's only getting worse. Scientists predict that this number will double in the next 20 years. The good news? People who are physically active throughout their life are much less prone to the disease than those who have a more sedentary lifestyle. The main reason for this seems to be because they have more volume in their hippocampus, part of the brain responsible for verbal memory and learning. Walking also improves your overall mental well-being by reducing stress and releasing endorphins. It stimulates not only the production of chemicals responsible for brain health, but also the growth and survival of neural blood vessels and cells. Number 8, toned muscles. Muscle tone is also achievable with simple walking. With just 10,000 steps a day, you can achieve a flow-bone workout similar to one you get at the gym, especially if you add some intervals of more brisk walking or an interval that incorporates walking with dumbbells in your hands. Walking up hills is another way to add to your walking workout. Number 7, prevent heart disease. You know very well that running can make your heart stronger, but according to the American Heart Association, walking is as effective as running when it comes to the prevention of heart disease and stroke. A daily half hour of walking can prevent serious problems like coronary heart disease. Number 6, increased lung volume. As an aerobic exercise, walking can help increase the oxygen flow in the bloodstream and eliminate toxins and wastes. In short, walking is great for your lungs. Walking promotes deeper and better quality breathing. Some symptoms that are associated with lung disease can show some improvement with a consistent walking exercise. Number 5, sturdier bones and joints. Walking doesn't just improve your mobility, it also helps prevent the loss of bone density and even reduce the risk of fractures. The Arthritis Foundation recommends at least 30 minutes of moderate walking a day to reduce pain, stiffness, and inflammation in the joints. Build strong bones so you can prevent osteoporosis and reduce bone loss. Number 4, relief from back pain. Another ailment that walking can alleviate is back pain. Since walking is a low-impact activity, it will hopefully not cause more pain or discomfort like running or a HIIT workout could. Walking can contribute to better blood circulation in your spinal structures and pump important nutrients to the soft tissues. As a result, you improve your posture and flexibility, both vital for a healthy spine. Number 3, benefits for the pancreas. It may come as a surprise to know that walking as an exercise is more effective than running when it comes to preventing diabetes. In a study by Duke University over a 6-month trial period, it was demonstrated that a group of frequent walkers posted 6 times greater improvement in glucose tolerance or blood sugar absorption compared to a group of runners. A more efficient use of blood sugar allows your pancreas to produce less insulin, which gives it much needed rest to gather strength. Number 2, improved digestion. Walking for just half an hour every day can help to lower your risk of developing cancer and improving your digestion. This is excellent news for those suffering from chronic constipation. What's even better? Walking can also improve the chance of surviving colon cancer even after it's already been diagnosed. This was based on a study of over 15,000 men and women whose activity levels were compared with the number of those who got colon cancer and died because of it. Number 1, a calmer mind. The Journal of Psychiatric Research published the results of a study on 50 individuals suffering from major depression. It showed that walking 30 to 45 minutes a day, 5 days a week, improved their conditions significantly. If walking improves symptoms in patients with non-dysphoric depression, you can just imagine how walking can easily help us cope with just feeling down or exhausted. With a calm mind, you have laser-sharp focus to get things done much more quickly and efficiently. A quiet mind generally leads to a more harmonious, tranquil, and happy life. Try taking a joyful walk with a friend or loved one today and embrace your new happy lifestyle. What do you enjoy most about walking? Let us know in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe. Click the notification bell. And please, check out our other videos.